Yeah, you're absolutely right. Pushpa, both the films made more money in the other languages than Telugu, and the North languages especially. Not because of anything, I think we have seen similar kind of stories in Telugu before, like Pushpa, and it was nothing new for us. Larger than life heroes and Pushpa Raj, the character. We had seen that before. Whereas in the north, I don't want to say this north and south, but I have no option but to say that, especially after she gave such a big. So, I would say Bihar, Punjab, UP, or they wanted to see the heroes like that, like Pushpa Raj, or a KGF Yash, Rocky, or a Bahubali. They wanted to see the heroes like that. They wanted to see larger than life heroes. For Indian people, for Indian culture, I feel just living day to day itself is very difficult. For most people, 90% of the people or 95% of the people, to get out of the stress, what they go through. And they want to see magic happening on screen. And that is what these larger than life films are doing. But without losing the basic Indian stories. They are not going away from that. And that is where I believe the success of all these films that happened recently is coming from there. It might be very difficult for you to say, if a guy raises his fist that 20 people are following, it might look very abnormal. But if you see Marvel films and all of that, Superman or anybody does the same thing. But they're just given a little bit of logic saying he's got special powers. But for us, we don't need that. We don't need those special powers. So, the common man, the general viewing public, not just that, I also like to watch my hero very, very big. When I see Prabhas or Allu Arjun or anybody going on screen and doing this, I clap and listen. And that's where I'm basically an Indian. So that's where it comes from. Like Khushbu said, as long as we're rooted to the stories. And I'll give an example of Rajmouli. Rajmouli shot Bahubali frame to frame, thinking it's a Telugu film. He was very proud of where he came from, about his language, about everything, and he shot it as a Telugu film. And people lapped it up everywhere, not just here, in Japan and China, and everywhere they lapped it up. Like, as long as we are proud of our own culture, our own language, and our own thoughts, we are through. And that's what makes it pan-world.